Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a premium drone that combines professional quality aerial footage, intelligent flying features, and incredible portability, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo could be your perfect choice. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone is compact enough to take almost anywhere while still delivering impressive performance. Whether you're a travel vlogger, photographer, or content creator, it's designed to help you capture breathtaking aerial shots with ease. The highlight is its 4K camera, capable of recording stunning, high-resolution videos with vibrant colors and excellent detail. Combined with DJI's advanced 3-axis mechanical gimbal, every shot looks smooth and cinematic, even when flying in windy conditions. Pause. This Fly More combo gives you a huge advantage by including 3 intelligent flight batteries, providing up to 36 minutes of flight time per battery. That means you can spend more time flying and less time waiting to recharge, making it perfect for travel and long shooting sessions. The package also includes the DJI RC2 Smart Controller, which features a built-in display. You won't need to connect your smartphone, just power it on and start flying. It's faster, more convenient, and offers a better outdoor viewing experience. DJI also includes intelligent flight modes that make it easy to capture professional-looking cinematic shots, while advanced safety features like return to home, obstacle sensing, and stable GPS positioning help make every flight more secure. As a bonus, this bundle includes a DJI New York carrying pouch, a 1-year NYC care plan, and additional accessories, giving you extra protection and convenience right out of the box. Pause. The only downside is the premium price, but considering everything included in the Fly More combo, it offers excellent value for serious drone users and content creators. Overall, if you want incredible 4K video quality, extended flight time, a premium controller, and one of DJI's most advanced compact drones, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo is an outstanding investment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. I'll see you in the next video.